Hello everyone, welcome to American Jedi channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the PlayStation 5. This is the one package with Horizon 2 for Forbidden West. Just looking at the box real quick, you have this nice little cover. Shows you what you get on inside. It also shows you the model number. This is an 11 series, that's what you want to get. Okay, the 12 just came out in September, but those won't come to the States until later. This shows a nice little picture of Forbidden West on there. Your actual gigabyte's going to be about 600 and something because of the operating system. And then that's about it. So let's go ahead and open it real quick. It's 2 years later. New model. This comes out like this. Oops. All right, the meat and bones now. So let's see what's in this box. All right, we got the DualSense controller. And on the controller, you want to make sure and look on the back as well. That last letter on the FCC ID is an A. That's what you want. If it's a 1, it's the older controller that has problems. Your power cable, instruction manual, all the extra stuff that you don't read. And this is the base. We'll show you, there's lots of instructional videos on how to put that on. It's pretty easy. And then the HDMI cable. This is a 2.1 HDMI compliant cable, so that's the latest version as well. Set this to the side. And now let's get to the main show. Like this so I don't drop it. Here. My lovely assistant. Oh, there it is. PlayStation 5 is such a huge system. It's the disc version. And then on the bottom, I believe, nope. Yep. So that's it. That's a quick unboxing of the PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.